Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to share live location on iPhone Air. If you would like to share your live location with someone, it's best to do it via Messages app. You can do it technically with two apps, so I'll show you both, but at first I'll show you the Messages app because it's a bit better here, I think. To do it, go to Messages, go to a certain conversation with someone that you want to share your location with, click on plus in the bottom left corner, and then find location. Now you'll have an option to share your location, and you can share it indefinitely until end of day or for 1 hour. I'll share it for just 1 hour. And now I'll approve it, but you can see I have some problem. It asks me to set my active device, so I'll need to go to settings, click on my account at the top, and go to find mine. Now set this iPhone as my location. And also share my location, has to be enabled. We'll see if we can do it already. Yes, we can do it. Let's send it. And now that location will be shared for 1 hour. So this is how it works in the Messages app. You can also do it via Find My app. And I'm gonna just go through the initial setup. Now, if you want to share it here, just click on plus, and you can share your own location with, and then type in who do you want to share your location with, and it'll be the same thing as in Messages. Now if you want, you can also share not your live location but just your current location, just a pin, by going to maps, like that. Then you would need to go to share my location and send it to someone. Now this will just be a pin of your current location when you are sending it, and it won't update. So I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.